Hi YouTube, hi fam, this is OsoX for osoxvids.com on Facebook, YouTube, and on TikTok at osoxvids, and on Instagram at Quantic Films. On today's video, this is not a gaming video. Today we're gonna unpack some gear I got. It's been a long time since I did unboxings because I'm not doing so much tutorials anymore. But this is special because I got 5 things in one. So I wanted to unbox some of the collectibles around here. I have a new friend. This guy is called OOC, my cactus. Alright, so let's get started, shall we? Now, some of these are presents. They're not all for me. Okay, let's see. So, this is always handy in case you were wondering what I'm using. And I'm wearing the merch for Ultimate Overshare, my brother's band. It's actually pretty cool. So let's see what we got here, shall we? So let's get this out. Let's put it here. Okay, so first off is One Piece. I have a Funko Minis Monkey D. Luffy. Monkey D. Luffy, small Funko Pop. The new TV series is coming on Netflix, the adaptation from the animated, the epic anime. That's one. That one's for me. It's gonna go over there. That's one. You can see it here. It's one. Now we have Pokemon. We have Battle Figure Pikachu. This is a present for one of my family members that's playing Pokemon Go. So that's that. Another Pokemon Battle Figure. This is Mimikyu. This is for another person. This is a present. She plays a Pokemon Go, so this is what I'm gonna give her. Now we have Miles Morales metal figure from Spider-Man, like the Spider-Verse. This is a gift for someone who loves reading comic books. And then we have Grimlock, the Autobot Grimlock from Transformers. This series of Transformers, the same as RC over there, and the same as Starscream and Ratchet over there. They're the exact same series, so I have a collection of 4 of them. Okay, so that's Ratchet there. Now that's that. Now I'm gonna be arranging this, and I'm gonna make a 2D video of the setup with these new collectibles. I have my Albumscape out now. I have merch for Albumscape, like this cassette with all 19 songs on them. And you might want to check out my album on Spotify and Apple Music. I also have pins like the one right here and t-shirts. Just text me, let me know which one you want. Okay, what we're gonna do now is let you take another look at the room. This is like Where is Waldo. You can move the camera all around, and you have to adjust the resolution. Watch this video again if you didn't do that. Change it on YouTube at higher picture quality or higher resolution, and you can do like Where is Waldo and check all the stuff in the studio. Most of the hardware I have building videos on. The rest are things I'm interested in, posters and action figures or Funko Pops. Let me know what you want to know more about. This was OsoX again for osoxvids.com, osoxvids.com or 00x.com. Thank you, peace, and I'm out.